how to flip text in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So whether you want to flip your text upside down, mirror it, or create some new designs, then it's super easy. I'll guide you step by step. So first things first, open up your Word document, and then on the top beside home you'll see insert. Go ahead and tap on it, and then on the right hand side you'll find word art. Tap on it, and then you can choose any of the designs. Now here, write anything that you want, and then on the top right you'll see text direction option. Tap on it, and there you'll find horizontal, rotate all 90-degree, and rotate all text to 70-degree. So you can choose any that you want. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, you can even see the circle like arrow option. You can just tap on it and then rotate your text like this. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.